Hi everyone, in this tutorial we demonstrate how to send emails. So here we have very basic workflow. It has two actions. First actions allows the user to enter the feedback. So basically the user is entering email body, and the next step is actually sending the email to support team. So let's run it. I will show you how it works. So we have the user input. So we just enter thank you, for example, and when we click next or OK, the email will be sent. So let me show you the feedback properties. So first of all, input type is HTML, and we also have default, and we have a prompt, the one you can see at the top of the dialog. Once the user click it OK, the prompt value is saved into input variable. So it is selected and enabled, and after that we just send email. So it has number of properties. For example, it has a connection from to email. Then we have a subject, software feedback. We say that we will be sending it as HTML. The important thing is that our message is a variable, and the variable name is input. We can also attach a log file, change headers, enable login, and even attach attachments. Okay, I hope you found this tutorial useful. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. And please like and subscribe. Bye.